Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Let's talk about maritime ports today. What is a port? A port is a maritime facility comprising one or more loading areas where ships load and discharge cargo and passengers. तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है? It's a maritime facility, it's a facility for maritime. भैया एक port where a ship comes for loading or discharging. So say it's a bulk carrier for loading grain or discharging grain. But one or more loading areas means एक पोर्ट के ऊपर इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी देयर विल बी ओनली वन शिप कमिंग, देयर कैन बी 3 शिप्स इन दैट पोर्ट कमिंग इसके बाद इधर 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 कॉपिड. सो दैट इज वन और मोर लोडिंग एरियाज वेयर शिप्स लोड एंड डिस्चार्ज कार्गो एंड पैसेंजर्स लाइक लोडिंग और ऑफलोडिंग, वेदर इट इज कार्गो इन कम्स ऑफ LNG, LPG, ऑयल, केमिकल, बल्क कैरी कार, सीमेंट, logs, anything. So that is over here. So major historical ports, one of the world's oldest known artificial port is Wadi Al Jarf on the Red Sea. Artificial port की बात I'll tell you later what does an artificial port means. Guangzhou, one of the busiest ports in China, I've been over here today, was also an important port during ancient times, dating as far as 800 BC. तो 800 BC में भी इसका जिक्र है and today also it's a very busy port. Lothal in Gujarat was the first dry dock area. It was built in India around 2400 BC, 2200, 2400 BC, and today it does not exist anymore. Just India is just a part of maritime history. जहाँ पर एक तरफ था that early ports were just known for loading and discharging, but today's ports are just different. They have road operators, port authority, shipping lines, regional shipping lines. कि भैया ship is coming from sea, from say Europe. Now it comes to India to Kandla, and from there small ferries carried towards in the inland waterways कि भैया रिवर्स अंदर लेके चले जाएंगे, राइट, फ्रॉम हल्दिया टू कोलकाता, मे बी टू बनारस, गंगा रिवर से, राइट. सो रीजनल शिपिंग लाइंस, कस्टमर्स आउट देयर आर वेटिंग, चलो यार आई नीड टू बाय दिस इन बल्क, आई विल टेक इट ओवर. कैरियर्स, फ्रेट फॉरवर्डर कि भैया कार्गो आ गया, ट्रक्स यहाँ पर खड़े हैं, लेट अस टेक दिस कार्गो कंटेनर्स टू सम अदर प्लेस. कंटेनर डिपो, राइट. Interoceanic shipping lines कि भैया if there is a port over here, there is other shipping lines waiting or ships waiting which will carry this cargo to some other port out there. Shipping agencies, container terminals, health and sanitary inspectors. So it has become a hub. Ports अब पहले से hub बन चुका है. All the facilities are available. Difference between natural and artificial port. Natural port is a place well protected from waves and wind, surrounded on several sides by land areas. तो भैया पोर्ट क्या होता है, जहां पर कि शिप्स हिले नहीं, सेफली हो जाए काम. सो इट हैज टू बी प्रोटेक्टेड बाय विंड as well as by tides, right? It is very important. Example, Mumbai port. What is an artificial port? An artificial harbor usually has purpose built breakwaters, and dredging is also used in the construction of artificial harbors. Example, Tuticorin. So there is a place called Tuticorin. पहली बात वो डन हो गया. अब उसके बाद क्या हुआ, आर्टिफिशियल हार्बर्स का मतलब होता है ब्रेक वाटर्स, ये स्पेशली बन. व्हाट इज ड्रेजिंग? ड्रेजिंग इज, ये यहाँ पर शैलो वाटर था बट डेप्थ वाज वेरी लेस, बट इफ शिप हैज टू कम द डेप्थ हैज टू इंक्रीज. सो ड्रेजिंग वाज इन्वॉल्वड, खुदाई करी गई सो दैट डेप्थ इज इंक्रीज ओवर हियर. देन दिस ब्रेक वाटर्स वन इन्वॉल्वड, मतलब स्पेशली कंस्ट्रक्टेड वॉल्स होती हैं सो दैट व्हेन वेव्स आर कमिंग फ्रॉम द सी दे डू नॉट एंटर इनसाइड एंड कॉज डैमेज टू द शिप or start rolling of the ship out here. So that is why these breakwaters are created, and you can see there is a ship over here and there is a ship over here. Example in terms of these are called artificial ports. Types of port, one is inland port. Inland port means it is inside the city somewhere, yaar, inside the city. So I'll just read the definition. Any port located in a navigable lake, river or canal that has access to the sea or ocean. मतलब रिवर हो, लेक हो, बट इट इज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड टू द ओशन. कि शिप आया बाहर से, इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम अटलांटिक ओशन, इट एंटर दिस लेक और कैनाल एंड स्ट्रेट वे एंटर्स इनटू द सिटी. जय माता दी. लाइक आई वेरी वेल रिमेंबर व्हेन आई वाज सेलिंग ड्यूरिंग माय सेलिंग डेज, वन ऑफ माय शिप्स बर्थड इन टोरंटो, बीच सिटी के अंदर यार, बीच सिटी में. सो दैट इज एन इनलैंड वाटर. सो सी एंड कैन अलाउ एनी शिप और फ्रेट टू सेल फ्रॉम द ओशन टू द पोर्ट to either load or unload its freight. This is called inland port. तो यहां पर ये अंदर भी आ सकता है और यहां से बाहर भी आ सकता है, लोड अनलोड करके. So that is the power of an inland port. आगे आते हैं. Then comes sea port. These ports are in the sea, but these can be divided into 3 categories: cruise port, port of call, cargo port. Copied guys? What is cruise port? जहां पर क्रूज लाइन आती है, say Miami. What is cargo port? Say your ship is coming to JNPT, Mumbai, Kandla. Cargo port. You are carrying cargo. What is port of call? ये अलग से ports होते हैं. Say your ship went to Turkey, loaded cargo. बट वहां पर यू कुड नॉट गेट ऑयल, बंकर नहीं ले पाया कि शिप की रिफुलिंग हो सके. नाउ सडनली योर शिप इज गोइंग टू सम अदर पोर्ट विच इज फार ऑफ. सो इन बिटवीन यू रीच अ पोर्ट एंड से भैया मुझे ऑयल दे दो, बंकर्स, ऑयल बंकर्स. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड पोर्ट ऑफ कॉल. Copied? But these are at sea. Sea ports are most prevalent types of ports used for commercial shipping activities around the world. Next is fishing port. Fishing port means a port with area reserved for activities such as handling, display, sale, ice preservation, freezing, storage, shipping of fishing products and unloading of fishing vessels as well. ये हो गया fishing port. Copied guys? Dry port. अब कुछ ऐसे ports होते हैं which are inside the city or somewhere far from ocean or sea. These are called dry ports. So say this is a port which is located far away from sea. So a ship came, loaded of containers. There was a railroad over here, train system on which containers were loaded, and then these containers through these rails are coming inside a dry port where they are being offloaded, and from there through these trucks they are going into the city. So these are called dry ports. Inland terminals that can be connected to a seaport via road or rail transportation facilities are known as dry ports. A dry port has all the essential equipment to manage continuous shipment clearance. Copied? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Major ports in India: Kandla, Mumbai, Mormugao Port Trust, Mangaluru, Kochi, Tuticorin, Chennai, Ennore, Visakhapatnam, Paradip, Kolkata. These are some major ports. 12 major ports हैं. India's largest natural port is Mumbai. Kandla port is the biggest port of India by volume of freight handled. Biggest port जहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा कार्गो जाता है, आता है. JNPT port is the largest container port in India. These are the major ports of the world. Quebec, Toronto. See, Toronto I was talking about, where my ship just went inland port, right? Boston, New York, Charleston, New Orleans, Miami, Tampico, Veracruz, Acapulco. बहुत सारे हैं, भरे पड़े हैं throughout the world यार. Without ports, it's all, the shipping कहाँ होगी? Busiest ports in the world today: Port of Shanghai, which is in China, is the busiest port in the world in terms of cargo tonnage. It is the most important gateway for foreign trade. The largest port in Europe is Port of Rotterdam. From 1962 to 2004, it was the biggest port, but अब भाई Asian ports, especially in China, have overtaken Rotterdam long time back. So now, the largest oil port in the world is Louisiana Offshore Oil Port. Loop is the biggest offshore oil port. मतलब offshore मतलब ये oil port जो है, this is inside the sea. It is not near the land over here. So you can see this whole this ship, say a ship will come over here, it will connect the line, all the oil will go to this offshore vessel over here, and from here it will go to the refinery. Copied guys? So it is located 29 km off the Louisiana coast. The facility handles about 13% of crude oil imported to the US, which is about 1.2 million barrels a day. US में बहुत सारी खपत है, बहुत सारा तेल आता है थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड, एंड वो भैया 13% इसी लूप ऑफशोर ऑयल पोर्ट पे आता है. रेस्ट कम्स टू गल्फ ऑफ मैक्सिको, जहाँ पर टेक्सास है. आई हैव बीन देयर सेवरल टाइम्स. द बिगेस्ट शिप क्रूज शिप पोर्ट इन द वर्ल्ड इज मियामी का पोर्ट. नाउ यू कैन सी व्हाट इज द पोर्ट आई टोल्ड यू ना. वहां पर जरूरी नहीं कि एक ही लोडिंग अनलोडिंग हो. सी ओवर हियर यू कैन सी 1 2 3 4 5 6 क्रूजेस standing in a line, right? So a port can have many ships alongside, idhar ऐसे करके. Miami is a home port for companies like Royal Caribbean, MSC Cruises, Disney and Virgin Voyages. There are 11 cruise ship terminals in this port, Miami. 11 cruise ship terminals. मतलब एक बार में 11 cruises come load passengers or offload passengers. The biggest LNG port in the world is Incheon LNG terminal, northwest coast of South Korea. Its capacity is 26,60,000 meter cube, so it can accommodate 2 ultra large LNG carriers at the same time. That's it from my end. I hope you like the video, जिसमें आपको ज्ञान मिला, नॉलेज मिली. Thank you very much. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.